What are they doing? Listen and repeat. Part 3. Dance. Dancing. He is dancing in the street. Use. Using. He is using a smartphone. Cook. Cooking. He is cooking in the cafeteria. Relax. Relaxing. He is relaxing on the beach. Lift. Lifting. He is lifting weights at the gym. Draw. Drawing. He is drawing in the classroom. Bow. Bowing. He is bowing in the park. Laugh. Laughing. He is laughing at the chicken. Now it's your turn. What are they doing? What is he 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 doing? Great job. Keep practicing.